Manufacturing environments move fast, and maintaining a safe workplace requires constant awareness. C2 Technology Group helps manufacturers improve safety through integrated technology solutions designed specifically for industrial facilities. With real-time video surveillance, secure access control, AI-powered analytics, and reliable structured cabling, we provide the visibility and infrastructure needed to help protect your people and your operations. From busy production floors and warehouses to loading docks in restricted areas, our team designs, installs, and supports systems that help reduce risk, strengthen safety initiatives, and keep your facility operating reliably every day. Whether you're expanding your operation or upgrading existing infrastructure, C2 Technology Group delivers technology built to support safer, smarter manufacturing. Schedule your free facility assessment and let C2 Technology Group identify your infrastructure needs.